get to that most accurate forecast now because we've got a lot to get through, starting with weather alerts that are active in our state for today. So everywhere that you see in pink across northern Arizona, portions of northwestern Arizona, and stretching into eastern Arizona and the White Mountains, that's a winter storm warning. That's in effect through today, and then another one goes into effect as we head into the start of the work week. Everywhere that you see kind of in this purplish color, those are winter weather advisories, also across southeastern Arizona. That means you want to be prepared for treacherous travel as well. Here's what we're looking at Futurecast. First round of these storms in our state now going to continue to push through as we move through the afternoon. Then on Monday, the next low pressure system brings in another storm system, and that will continue until we get to Wednesday. Then we start to dry out statewide and some clouds move in for the second half of the week. For today, here's what Futurecast is showing for the valley. This is that band of storms that's pushing through the West Valley and North Valley right now. So we do have wet roads out there. If you're along the 303, the 101 in the West Valley on up into the North Valley, even portions of the 51. We'll see more rain here in the valley at lunchtime, and that will be more widespread. We could have some really heavy pockets of rain. You might hear a rumble of thunder or two. It looks to thin out by dinner time, and then it'll be spotty showers on and off overnight. Then tomorrow at 8 o'clock, we're going to start to see more rain move in that will hit Prescott, Payson, and does look to sweep through the valley here through the afternoon and into those early evening hours. So as we get into tomorrow, we're looking at about a ½ inch of rain possible here in Phoenix. And as we get through Monday, about a ½ inch to an inch is possible in some spots. So that rain continues today, and then the next round picks up Monday and Tuesday. Also on Tuesday, that snow level is going to drop to the 2,000 to 3,000 foot level. So that means we could see some flurries up in the northern portion of the valley like Carefree and Cave Creek. Hour by hour today, you can see, just like I said, our highest chances for rain are closer to that lunchtime hour. That's also when we're going to make our way out of the 40s into the 50s. But you see our temperatures staying in the 50s all afternoon. Definitely going to notice that change in temperature today. Our forecast high, basically valley-wide, is 57 degrees. It will be cooler, and we are several degrees below the average for this time of year. Carefree is looking to stay in the 40s today, and very similar as we move through tomorrow, and you possibly get those flurry chances. Over in the West Valley, 57 is that forecast high from Peoria through Luke Air Force Base and Goodyear, Wickenburg in the low 50s. If you're headed to the high country to see snow, just know that the roads now are snow covered. Be prepared to spend some extra time taking it easy. That snow level is down to the 4,000 foot level. Tomorrow it drops to the 2,000 to 3,000 foot level. And by the time we get to Tuesday, we could pick up to 2 feet of snow in some areas. We're going to see the largest accumulations of snow in Flagstaff, Williams, Sedona, and out in Show Low, up to 13 inches out there, so about a foot of snow. Forecast highs today, not high at all, staying in the 30s north of the rim, even across central Arizona, western Arizona in the 50s and 60s, and southern Arizona staying in the low 50s. And our cool down in temperatures will take us through the beginning of this week as that second storm moves in, and it'll take us until it all passes on Wednesday to dry out and make our way back into more seasonable temperatures in the 60s.